Hey, you know, you could post some naked pictures if you're going out for
Hey now!
There you go.
If you felt bad for Hugh Hefner for being dumped by his fiancée Crystal Harris before his big wedding day, don't, because Hef is on to bigger and better things. This is his new lady, Anna Sophia Berglund, aka Miss January 2011.
Hey now.
Another blonde playmate. Way to switch things up, Hef. TMZ reports Anna has already moved into Hef's room, and they affectionately call each other babe. So cute. And Bristol Palin's new memoir comes out tomorrow, and she's sharing some pretty racy details about losing her virginity to Levi Johnston. She released some excerpts from her book. It's called Not Afraid of Life, My Journey So Far. And in it, she describes being drunk on wine coolers and not being able to remember a thing the night she gave up her V card. And she claims she and Levi used protection, but she got pregnant anyway. And she adds that Levi's reaction to her pregnancy was, quote, better be a bleeping boy.
There you go.
Interesting. Wow. And if the recent Backstreet Boys and New Kids tour didn't tell you that boy bands are back, Lance Bass's new reality show will. The former NSYNCer just revealed that he has sold 6 reality shows because we need more, including one for VH1. And we hear he could be teaming up with fellow member Joey Fatone, AJ McLean from the Backstreet Boys, and new kid Joey McIntyre to form America's hottest new boy band. Each guy gets a group together and then they battle it out for the win. Wow. Over to you, Mitch.